President Kyagulanyi Ssentamu Robert Bobi Wine Gwendese.
Thank you very much, Honorable Senyonyi. Manyi musana gubo omonji kana katuke kajayo luzungu bulungi. Ladies and gentlemen, please take your seats. Madam Deputy President, Northern Uganda, Mtalina Zidrika, Madam Deputy President, Western Uganda, Honorable John Mugisha, a spokesperson and leader of opposition, all leaders, members of parliament, mayors, members, the new and very importantly, the old, foot soldiers, ladies and gentlemen, I salute you. Thank you very much, Comrade Senyonyi, for making it clear, for putting it in clear context. Because since morning, I was scrolling through social media and we're having complaints, but most importantly, regime propagandists trying to bundle us with saying this money is being misappropriated for the benefit of the speaker, deputy speaker, blah blah blah, including office of the leader of opposition. Thank you very much for clearing this. Webali nyonyo tujja ku lukongolo olwo nakimekinga clear nti mu bubbi bwa Museveni ng'akozesa Anita Amongo na bonna bakozesa mu parliament tubiriimu, temututeeka mu bintu byammwe Anita Amongo ne Museveni. Tekutuli badde bannammwe wadde be mubba nabo olumu baba bambadde nga ffe naye tetubiriimu ebyo ebintu. We condemn corruption, we are not part of it. We are not part of the mismanagement. Thank you for making it clear, not only in words but action. Ladies and gentlemen, time has gone, so I'll be brief. And I've been largely represented by the speakers that have spoken today. They've welcomed you. I want to add my voice, welcoming the new members. You're very welcome. But we must be very clear to you what you have joined. You've joined no regular political party. You've joined a revolution. This is war. When I was speaking at the memorial of one of our comrades that was murdered by the dictator, I said and I repeat that war is politics with no violence, with no bloodshed. I mean, war is politics with bloodshed, with violence. But politics, on the other side, is war with no violence. This has been mixed up ever since we got into this struggle. We have been met with violence. Museveni fears the people so much that he deals with us as a military operation. Basebo nibanyabo kuwaniriza. Nenzira mu kikatiza. Kino kimoyiga seko munyo kimanya mulinya y'amagye. Kino tumingire mu kina kya kufuze kya bulijjo mweno DP mweno FDC opposition tuli opposition twawangula abantu babupi era tumanyi ffe tukulembera Uganda. Mwekala ngenge tufuga Museveni. Kila tufuga ffe tumufuga. So this that you join is war. Tulomeka seko lutalo. Mutalo basebo nibanyabo. Ffe tulikina kya bya kufuze. Neda. We are not a political party, we have a political party. We are much larger than that. We are a revolution struggle. We are a political movement. We are people power. No, we are a people's revolution. So you must understand what you have joined. Tojoinize ekibiina kya byabufuzi kya bulijjo kubaniriza abasebo ne banyabo naye twagala mumanye ne mission gye kino kimwegaseko kyeki You've not joined an artist who is going to entertain you. No. You've not joined a women's group or a men's group. You've joined a mission to freedom. Yes. Mission ya vegemo kujako Museveni mongeri yonna. That is what unites us. We want to put an end to the Museveni dictatorship that has made us beggars, that has turned good people into thieves, that has turned our daughters into karaoke dancers, into prostitutes, that has turned us into slaves, enslaving ourselves and struggling as we go on those planes to go into slavery. We want to put an end to that. That is our objective, number one. Everything else is secondary. We want to remove a dictator. We want to remove that dictator now.
Yes.
That is our major agenda. We are a political party because we don't just want to remove the dictator, but we want to remove the dictator and become the servant leaders. We went already to the people of Uganda, they voted for us. Now we want to actualize that. We want to re-empower the people of Uganda so that their vote begins to count. We want to remove thieves, and we want to do that by any means necessary. The first means is to ensure that we evoke the Constitution, which empowers us to use any means. As a matter of fact, the Constitution empowers you to even use military means to restore constitutionalism. Okay? Only that we don't use military means yet. Yes, because we don't believe in violence. We believe in non-violence, and it's tested. We know non-violence is stronger than violence. That's why we use non-violence. We use non-violence because when we use violence, we'll be empowering Museveni and giving him justification to kill us all. Chokola tetunaba kuogera kubyako samongo. Newankubadde abazikozesa ate tetubayinaako nnyo obuzibu. We want to evoke the power of the people to rise up and remove Museveni. However, we are a political party because if time for elections come, agwamani nago gajin wegali era wetuli era nange wendi era namwe wemuli. However, ngamukyakubira enduulu omanyi kati mwe bapolitician ebyo mbyagala nnyo. Njagala mmanye nti oyo atwegaseeko nga ye abala kifu oli wafu. Ange byaffe sirya bifo. Ebyaffe sirya kwesimbawo. Etwalina bangi nnyo abajja ne batwesimbawo ne beesimbawo nga beefudde nti bakyali baffe nnyo, tibafuut soldiers nnyo. Asira tukasire bamukuba kiprojectile n'ayatika omutwe n'obwongo bwe ne tubulaba nga busamusi kubanga twali tugenda campaigningira Kagabo. Temamulaba kyeyakola. So we are going to identify you according to your actions. So si ku bigambo by'okozesa kuba naffe tetulabyeko tuyize. We welcome you, ladies and gentlemen. Netwagala mumanye nti here in the National Unity Platform, everybody has 100% rights, 100% dignity. Kwa ile miaka 5 ngo ina 18 fe mu maso gaffe mwenkanankana. Oba wasoma diguli meka ngono yakoma mu pitu mwina obuvunanyizibwa bwe bumu ku Uganda, mwina obuyinza bwe bumu ku Uganda, mwina omugabo bwe bumu ku Uganda. Ekitulamula ge mazima. The Constitution gives us equal rights and equal dignity. Feno temunaiti tumanyi nti byabitiibwa. Ekitiibwa tugenda kikuwa kyonna okusinziira ku bikolwa byo. Abo ayasindika omabolaba betuwandika ku bisenge betutasula lunaku kubakungiriza be bakyasinza okubeera n'ekitiibwa ekyawaggulu kubanga bapayinga the ultimate sacrifice. Basaddaaka buli kimu nga kwotadde n'obulimu n'obulamu bwabwe bwe tosobola yadde okusaddaaka omululu gwo ng'ogamba tu ebyo mwagala ladies and gentlemen, to remind you, those that have joined us, that it's okay to run for office. I saw young men and women here, those in institutions, who welcome you. You are the hope, you younger people especially. We believe in you. Come and lead us. Don't doubt yourself. If you doubt yourself, look at me and remember me only 5 years ago. Mekiririzemu mwesimbe oyo naje musobola okwesimbawo kwemunabera kwalaali tujja bawagira naye ate tubateekeko eriso ejoji namwe basinga batwegaseko tubaniriza nnyo tubenyumirizaamu mulina obumanyirivu bwe twetaaga tusaba obumanyirivu obwo mubuleete tubugatte naffe n'ekibuli kye tulina tujjeko dikiteeta tuteketeke Uganda empya. Tujja kubaagala nnyo, tetujja babuusabuusa, tujja baaniriza, tujja balwanirira, naye era tujja bassaako eri tujja kubatya. Tubaaniriza nnyo bassebo ne bannyabo. I want to charge all of you that have joined us today, because it's only the leaders that have joined us. But we know there are many people out there. Go and recruit them. Go and teach them about our values, about discipline, about reliability, about inclusiveness, about patriotism, about service. Teach them kubayigiriza ennono yaffe naffe kennyini. In fact, nange kennyini njabasalako eyo wammwe njakujja. Ilibusoka, I am coming. Karamoja, I am coming. Mbale, I am coming. Masaka, everywhere we are coming. Tugenda kujja, tugenda bachalira. That reminds me of telling you that we shall soon resume our nationwide tour. Munaku isikaliza wala, tugenda kwa tufulumia programu yaffe. We shall release our program and inform you when we are coming to you. Now you the leaders, go prepare the masses so we can come and charge them, and ultimately we combine with all Ugandans from all corners of Uganda and we mess up Museveni like never before. And to add my voice with the voice of our leader of opposition about the ongoing strike by the traders, not just in Kampala, but all over the country. It is unfortunate that the economy is constantly being reduced and owned by a few privileged people, to the extent that they would rather empower foreigners than empower citizens of Uganda. The citizens of foreigners get tax holidays. They bring in foreigners in the guise of investors. But what kind of investor sells on retail or even hawks? Mubalaba abagwira be baleeta okola manufacturing naye nga batuna ne piisi emu batembeya n'okutembeya kyokka bo babajjako emisolo gwe munansi tebakujjako musolo bo babasaasira emisolo munansi tebamusaasira musolo. But what is even more powerful, more painful, is the wastage and the luxury and the opulence that these thieves are enjoying at the cost of the taxpayers and the entire population of Uganda. Enyono najebononamu emisolo baganda bange singa mugiraba. We want to pay taxes if those taxes are going to benefit us and our children and our people. But see what the taxes are being used for. You have to be overtaxed so that Museveni spends 2 billion every day. At his age, sometimes he does not even know that 2 days has passed. That's all, and it's not a joke. I mean, it would be funny if it was not sad. But that is where we are as a country. All of you know that by their own statistics, which many times is corrupt. But according to the government statistics, 10 trillion is stolen, is lost in corruption. Out of the money, the 25 trillion and something that's collected out of you, 10 trillion is stolen by them. oba mutegera kyengamba sente ze basoloza mu musolo babbako haafu kati gwe kwakafaananyi akatabalika trillion kyesobola okukola ku nguudo zaffe, kyesobola okukola ku malwaliro gaffe, kyesobola okukola ku masomero gaffe. But that money is stolen and used. Part is given to Anita Among. Genda ogule osobola okugula abeefuliiso bamazeeyo kati gula abadipi tubamaze akatandika kubenga yupi abantu babbeeyi tofaayo mugenda ngobaki ogobadde bitano gobadde meka. That's what Anita Among does. Ze sente zammwe ze babba ne bagulirira abantu abaffe, abantu abagezi, abantu abategera ne babafuula babawunsa baabwe olwa sente zebabbye mummwe abawi b'omusolo. However, I must tell you, comrades, that we are going to cry about the luxury. Tugenda kubeerawo nga batujjako omusolo lwa mpaka kubanga Anita Among alina okutambula ne escort 8 kubanga ono alina okutambula bwesi kubanga balina okugula abantu naye era mmwe mugenda ozisasula baganda bange. This can change and it can only change when we all stop it. Njagala okunga mwena let us stand with the traders. Nena mwabasubuzi njagala mujjukire mwana tisimwe mweka ababonabona. The teachers are suffering the same way. Soldiers, police officers are suffering the same way. Yes, recently Museveni yaguddeyo tubadde nga tuyimbirira tugamba soldiers, they guard us, they keep us safe, they should have salary increment. I'm glad that they are provoked to increase their salaries. But we did not say 800,000. We said the lowest paid soldier should earn 1 million and going above. Yes, Museveni could be a good learner from us, but not the best learner. So, we want the plight of not only soldiers, but police officers too, the teachers too, the medical workers too. Ate bwe muba mwekalakasa muveeyo namwe mwekalakasizeeko baganda bange abasuubuzi kubanga bwongeza ebyo ebintu tewali gwe kijja kutalisayo. What's going to suffer? When the business community is suffering, everybody is going to suffer. But the same thing when teachers are suffering. The same thing when medical workers are suffering. So let us treat them the same. Kasulirete mujja kuddamu gamba nti abakaina okukyusa obukulembeze mumuli politics. Kasulirete mujja gamba nti tujja okutokanya tuweeyite atolinya bintu byaffe. Ebintu byonna birinnya tusobole okutuusa eggwanga. The problem is Museveni and Musevenism. Nobody is safe, not teachers, not traders, not medical workers, not students, not anybody. So remember that. Finally, comrades, all of you have seen on TV the shame, the hypocrisy of this regime. Every day trying to bring a new diversionary story about our brothers and sisters that are languishing in prison. They will bring Norbert Mao, and Norbert Mao will say, oh, now that I am minister, I am going to free them. 1 year later, he's also complaining because he does not see the dictator. Now I saw Balaam Nena Katino Balaam Nena Bajayo Tanikirako Museveni bali abantu abatya. Museveni atutya. Ate Museveni tumututte buli wamu. Abasibe naye bamulimbulago kubanga tebalina musango. Tuze tubagamba wano tetulina kwegayirira muntu nga tetulina musango. Tebalina musango gwe bazza. Oli wajjana kugamba nti olina omusango ndyoke nkute oba otunze eddembe lyo. Mwabawulira nga babedi gwanika babudde bagamba tugende tugere ne dictator. Ne bagamba tetugenda kuteesa na muntu, tuteese ku ki? Okay, nti kati tuze kuteesa tuwa abantu baffe. Tetumuwe ki? Yabaffe. Mwe abamuwoleza yabawa ki? Era ekibawa kukola ki? Okay, tuyinza okuba tumanye ebimu byabawa. Naye ebibawa kukola ki? Yali abasasula ki? So we are not going to beg for our freedom from Museveni. We are not criminals. We did not do anything wrong. Tetuina musango gwe twaza, abana tebalina musango gwe baza, namwe abali wano temulina musango gwe muziza. Muli wano mu mateeka, mulina eddembe lyammwe era mulina okweyagalira mu nsi yammwe. Buli muntu alina okuwagira gw'ayagala okuwagira. It is not a crime. So you cannot put me in prison and make me beg for mercy. We are not going to beg for mercy from you, Museveni. That is impossible. We know he's already approaching the families of many of our friends. Batukiria families zabwe ze bwengenda ye mukomera okubakyalira abasibe bangana okubalaba ja wejja basamulo tebamanya ate bali be banteeka mulo kali ko dunia kusanya nange ani ateeka mulo mune ekibuli ko dunia machete nange ani ateeka mune ekibuli Infazi bangenze mukomera kwogera kunyumyamuko nabo mbeyo nga banchaginze ate nzije nga nikukagwe nnyo. So you cannot bend them, you cannot make them bow, and we shall not plead for mercy from you, Dictator Museveni. Never. Era omuntu yenna aligenda neegalira Museveni oyo si munnaffe tumweganirawo. Bajja kufuna bannaffe oba ababadde naffe babambaze engoye zaffe bagambe affe tugenze kwegatta ku Museveni. Abo naawo abo babadde baffe ebbanga lyonna. Ye lwaki sikomaawo. Mwebale nnyo mwebale ddala baffe bemanyako kukubiriza bwakusi.
Thank you.
President Kyagulanyi Ssentamu Robert Bobi Wine eyo obusungu bungi. Tuli mu struggle nanti tebikyali byamanyi wano tebikyali byakusaaga twagala nsi yaffe banange tuli mu struggle tuli mu lutalo tisibya bya bulijjo byombadde mulowooza mbadde mumanyi bino birala ddala ate nga tulina okutereza eggwanga lyaffe kati gwe abadde amanyi nti nno bintu byakusaaga mu busaazi nedda bambi oli wabi oli wakyamu ddala nnyo bino bye tuliko bya ddala byakutereza Uganda eno byakugoba Nakyemalira Yoweri Kaguta Museveni ate nga kigenda kukolebwa kigenda kuba oba mwagala oba temwagala and we will never bow down to Museveni. Tetuli fukamira tetulyegayirira General Museveni werimba bakulimba lino eggwanga lyaffe tuyinza kwegayirira ddembe lyaffe eddembe lino lyaffe eno Uganda yaffe ensi yaffe eddembe lyaffe terigula bunusu tukirowooza tokiloota n'okukiloota n'olunaku n'olumu General Museveni mbosobola okugula eddembe lyaffe ne bucolo olimbira ddala ffe tulabaya nnyo ate nga twakuteeza eggwanga lyaffe mbaagala nnyo mwenna abaliko. President agambye Mathias Mpuuga Nsamba yafuuka baawunsa wandita amongi Kyagulanyi kale mbaagala nnyo mwera.